Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I'll be turning this old jeans into this really beautiful skirt. It's a pleated skirt with an inverted pleat as well, and it's also a high-low skirt. As you can see, the front is higher while the back is lower, as you can see, just the same way in this video. So if you're interested to know how I was able to transform the jeans into this skirt, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe as well. So guys, this is the jeans I'll be making use of. I'll go ahead and fold it into two and then place it like this. So from below the crotch line, from the thigh line, I'll go ahead and cut it all the way to this other side. So when I'm done, this is actually how it looked like. So I'll go ahead and be dividing from this crotch line to divide it from the back, the front from the back, just the same way you see like this. And I'll also slant it up a bit, just the same way you see like this. I'll also open up the other side as well. So when I'm done, I'll be folding it this other way like this, with the front facing the front and the back piece facing the other back piece. I'll just arrange it just the same way you see like this. And then when I'm done, I'll go ahead from where I actually slant it. I still took it up a bit. I'll go ahead and slant it just the same way you see like this. As you can see, the front is actually going to be higher than the back, so I'll just slant it all the way to the back side. So for this back side, I'll actually use my chalk and then just trace it like this. And then I'll also go ahead and cut the excess parts that I actually don't need. I'll just cut it out just the same way like this. So when I'm done, I'll just open it up like this and still trim out some places so that it will not be too deeper at the back. So this is actually what I have. This is the back and this is the front. So I'll be working on the down part now. So I'll go ahead and loose the both sides of the legs of the trouser. So after doing that, this is what I have. I loosed the trouser parts and then I have 4 parts now that will be joining to get the pleat. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be placing the right sides of these pieces facing each other like this. I will go ahead and sew it. So what you can see here is that the part that was already folded is the part that is going to be from one side. So I'll still place it like this and then still sew it. So all the parts. So when I'm done, I'll actually trim out those parts that are not even. As you can see what I was saying, the part that was already folded is all the way from the other side, so it's going to be down. So I'm actually done doing that. I'm done sewing, and then I also went there to open the seams and then iron it as well. So you see what I was talking about. The sides that were already folded are the ones facing one side. So as you can see, some parts are bigger and some parts are smaller. So I'm going to be using my ruler to rule out the straight lines, and then I'll be cutting out those parts that I actually don't need so that all other parts will be the same. So as you can see in this video, what I'm doing on this particular piece, I will go ahead and repeat the same thing with other pieces as well so that it will be straight like the rest. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done trimming other parts to be the same. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be marking an interval of 1.5 inch each in order to create the pleat. So you can actually check it in order to be sure and know that it will go around the down part of the skirt. If 1.5 will be too much, then you will make it 1. So after marking, I will go ahead and pick from one side like this to join from one of the marked lines. So I'll continue doing the same thing all the way to the other side, just the same way you see like this. I'll continue marking the 1.5 inch all the way. So when I'm done, see what I'm doing. I'll pick one part and then match it from the other line that I marked, and then pick one part and then match it like this so the pleats are facing each other. I'll continue doing the same thing all the way to the other side. So guys, now I'm on my machine now, so I'm just trying to sew everything down. So I'll pick the other part and still match it from the 1 inch that I mark. I'll still adjust it to still meet at the 1.5 inch that I mark, and then I'll still pick the other part from here I actually marked to meet it like this. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but that's actually what I'm trying to do here. So I'll go ahead and do the whole thing all the way to the down part. And another thing is, if you know that the 1.5 inch will not go round, if you mark it to not go round the down part, please mark 1 inch interval and make sure that you actually measure round when you're done sewing, and then measure the round the down part of the skirt as well before you start to fix. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done sewing it all the way around. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be fixing it on the skirt part now. So I'll just fold the pleat into two, and then I'll be marking the midpoint just the same way you see like this. So I'll be placing it in the middle of this skirt as well. So I'll go ahead and start sewing from there. I will sew all the way to the other side. When I'm done, I will still repeat the same process with the other side as well. So guys, you see what I was saying? So my own was actually shortened there a bit, so I had to still lose it and adjust the back pleats, and the back pleats were a bit scantier than the front, so you just adjust it before you start fixing it. So after doing that, I went there to join the down part or the pleat. I joined the other part I'll be going at the back, and I also went here to sew it as well. So this is actually what it looks like. You see that the front pleats are a bit fuller than the back ones because I had to adjust it. So after doing that, I'm going to be sewing around the down part now. I will change the thread to gold because the rest of the thread on the skirts are gold. So I'm going to be, I'll fold it once because it was already folded before, so I will just go ahead and sew it all the way around. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done sewing it all the way around, and this is what it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be top stitching on the front piece just the same way you see like this. I'll just top stitch from the upper side, not from the down side. So I'll go ahead and sew it and top stitch all the way around. So guys, I'm actually done doing that, and this is what it looks like. So I went there to top stitch all the way around, and then the pleats are more balanced, they are lying down more, and this is how the back also looks like as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll neatly arrange it. I'll arrange the pleats, and then I'll take it and then neatly iron it so that it will actually be more balanced and it will lie down flat. So this is actually the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this was how it was looking like, and then this is actually how it turned out to be. This is actually how the skirt is. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.